Why would you want us to hunt him down? To hunt down this silent man? That long? He's been on the run for that long? Alright, how much money you gonna pay us? $100,000. Deal. We'll hunt him down and we'll bring him to you and then we'll get the $100,000. Alright, we'll call you once we're captain. Alright, goodbye. Alright, now as you boys just heard, we're on the hunt for the Silent Man. He's a wanted vigilante who's been on the run for about 15 years. So, we're gonna hunt him down to this group of people, and they are gonna pay us $100,000, alright? Okay. Alright. You do have to admire how long he's been on the run. Oh, you told us this guy was good, but I didn't know he was going to be this good. He got away from us. No problem. He almost had it. Almost. But he just got away. I gotta get this. What you mean there's no second chance? Yes, there is a second chance, alright? Look. We'll go and capture him, alright?
We have a dog. We have a sniffer dog. Hopefully she'll be able to calm down.
Yeah, alright.
We also gotta stop hope we can gear up with
Stop calling what?
guns, ammo, pretty much anything we might need.
He got plenty of guns and ammo, okay? So he can easily take this guy out the front. Alright, deal. Alright, I'll call you when we catch him. Alright, goodbye.